Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So we're here with another Christmas shopping video. We'll be highlighting some of the plazas in Alpha Tree. So this is the new Southdale Plaza. A few tenants have started to move in. Alright guys, so what we'll be doing is just highlighting some of the different plazas in Alpha Tree. You just saw the Southdale. I have a more detailed video, so I'll put that in the description as well. So we're just taking a Christmas walk. You can call it window shopping at Christmas. You can call it walking tour. Alright, so we'll just be getting a glimpse of all the different shops, all the different plazas. We won't go inside, that will take forever. So we'll be just showing you around. So this is the Lynn Plaza, Constant Spring Road. Remember to like the video guys, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. So it's the Alpha Tree walking tour. So we'll be looking at some of the Christmas decor and just some of the shops and plazas in general at Christmas time. We know at night these plazas are much prettier because the lights will be on and stuff like that. So I'll try get a night video for you guys. Also recently did the Boulevard Supercenter. That's the first one I did. So this is now the second video, which is our Christmas walking tour, plaza tour. I'll put the Boulevard Supercenter video in the comments so you guys can click on the link. So again, this is the Lane Plaza, Constant Spring Road. There's also a lane in Legany. So this side is 7th Avenue Plaza. Alright guys, as you realize, I'm just giving you glimpses of each plaza. If I'm to go inside each shop, I would never finish. Probably have to break up this video in two, because there's a lot of different plazas on this stretch. Alright guys, so this is now the Village Plaza. That's where we're standing on the second floor. Alright, so let's move right along. Alright guys, so this is the other side of the Village Plaza. That's the passport office over there, PICA, Passport Immunization and Citizenship Agency. That's Constant Spring Road. So lots of plaza in this area. Can't cover all of them guys. So I'm literally show you different glimpses. So the other side was the Village, so correction, this side is the Mall Plaza. Lots of shop. That's a gym, Express Fitness, body studio, clothes here, nails, jewelry. Everything is here. So that's a radio shop. Alright, so we're now on Twin Gates Plaza. So we'll end the video on this plaza and then we capture the others on the video that you'll see tomorrow. So again, we're on Constant Spring Road, walking from the different plazas. That's giving you a walk-in Christmas shopping tour, window shopping tour. Again guys, leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share.